you heard, nigga, is what you was told. It's the mafia gang, yeah, nigga. And it goes, fuck what you heard, nigga, I'm still to the third, nigga. Ripping and smoking weed, nigga, inhaling herb, nigga. Real slow motion, nigga, I'm coasting on the west. Yes, it's the best, you niggas is hot mess. Yeah, I'm from the ghetto, nigga, where niggas go, mainly bananas, or lose they mainframe. Fucking knock the screws out of lane frame, I'm in the game deep. Niggas know when they talk, nigga, shit is weak, nigga. Watch who you speak to, cause niggas the cross shit. Cost to be the boss, nigga, outlawed and you lost, bruh. Yeah, I spit a hot fight, you niggas is liars. Out here shining your jewelry, you rent it, nigga, I'm in it to win it. Fuck what you heard, yeah, I thought I told you that. Nigga, guess who's back, nigga, representing SAC. Yeah, the West is back, Northern California, I'm at ya. Nigga putting pistols under my mattress, so what did that, bruh? Catch me on Mac Roll, better bet, better view. Catch me where them hood niggas do, what it, yeah, they do. I got a little tongue twisted, but I'm in it, nigga, no gimmicks, running the game for a minute. Yeah, nigga, I been in it, gas brake dipping, at the light flowing on the camera. Can't nobody in with me, nigga, I got stamina. Outlasting the best, nigga, fuck the rest. I told you, niggas, I'm from the West, so protect your neck. Yeah.